Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries, guys. We got Krista. She's brushing her teeth. We got baby Miles. He's just hanging out. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Man, guys, I'm so sorry I haven't been recording. It has been nonstop. I got extremely sick. Everybody's been freaking sick lately, and I'm just like, man. Anyways, I got really sick. I finally was able to button up the Pro R last night. I still have a couple things I need to do just to clean it up. I could never get to my RS1, which makes me sad. I just always run out of time. It's usually like, oh, I got tons of time, but then I don't have any time. And next thing you know, I end up out of time, and I just can't take the RS1 down knowing I need to still work on things. So I loaded Sherb in the trailer. The trailer is way over there. Check out that view. Isn't that beautiful? So I loaded the trailer up, got everything in there. We're at the final little seconds here. I'm doing the everybody's favorite part, right? The black tank stuff. Man, I need to clean that. Anyway, so getting some heat in old Fancy the Fleetwood. Got the engine running. It's a nice cool 30 degrees here in Utah. We're about to head south. First stop's gonna be St. George for a night. I'm gonna go drop off some parts for Mike and Marissa for her car. And then I might hit Sand Hollow for a second, and then after that going to Vegas. Video is gonna start today, which is, what is today? Today's Tuesday, December the 10th. So video is gonna start today, December 10th. And then after that, I'm gonna do, it's gonna be kind of a several days. It'll end up as this video. Probably gonna miss Wednesday on this one, guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm actually doing I've got this really cool thing that I've been working on. It's all written down, but it's not recorded yet. And it's something I've been telling you guys I was gonna do for like 2 years, and I'm finally actually doing it. I came up with a whole summary. So I'll tell you more about that as we get there. I'm also gonna do my Pro R review in this video. I'm gonna try my hardest to, if I can get some St. George action in, because Krista's got stuff to do until 4 o'clock tomorrow, so I'll have a little bit of free time tomorrow. Yeah, so much to do. I'm gonna knock this out, and then we're gonna get on the road.
Say, hey Dada, we just wanted to say that we love you very much, and we're gonna miss you tons, but we'll be back before you know it. And we'll be thinking about you the whole time. And you're the best dada in the whole wide world. And we love you so much.
What is up, guys? I know what you're thinking. What are you doing in the sand dunes right now? This is an impromptu trip. We went down to Vegas. Krista flew out of town. Watch the Family Friday videos if you want to. I would love it if you did. She would too. That's kind of Krista's own segment on everything she's doing. There's a little surprise going on right now, and I was part of it, and I'm super excited that I had the opportunity to help out. And I ended up in Glamis to help out with the surprise, and one of you guys that are watching, you'll figure out that the surprise was actually for you, which is kind of wild in a weird turn of events. So I was lent a car to drive. In order to not give away the surprise, I'm not going to tell you whose car I'm driving out here, but it's going to be pretty awesome. I'm super excited, and they're not going to find out about their surprise until after Christmas. It's basically a Christmas present they're gonna get to see kind of after Christmas. So that's all I'm gonna say. But I'm here getting some footage for you guys because I'm finally doing my how to ride the dunes and how to like be prepared for the dunes for like beginners and stuff like that. I'm actually catching some footage, which I was gonna do before I even knew I was gonna ride. But I'm catching some footage, some drone footage and stuff like that for you guys. For this really awesome video that I'm trying to make, that I've wanted to make for like a year, and I always say I'm gonna make it and I never do, but now I'm actually making it. So I'm gonna be here, and then I'm gonna hop back and go back to Vegas, and then we're going to Parker, Arizona to hang out for a couple days. But I just wanted to give you guys an update for a second. I'll update you more in the next part of this video, but I just want to say hi from the swing set. Check it out, guys. It's an off weekend, but people are still having fun. So anyways, all right, I'm gonna keep riding, but I'm not really gonna record much just because I don't have all my GoPro stuff with me. All I have is just this with a handle on it. So yeah, and if I show you guys the car that I'm in, then it gives away the surprise, and we're not gonna give away the surprise. So I'll see you guys back in Vegas. Hi.
Say hi, Dad.
Okay guys, the last time you saw me was like several days ago, and I was actually in Glamis, and now it's like a week later, but it's Sunday and we made it back. We are officially here now in Parker, Arizona at this awesome RV park. It's called Pirate's Den. As you can see, we got Fancy right there in the front row. We got us a little gazebo thing that's pretty nice, and we got a surprise car. You're probably like, what's that car doing here? Whose car is that? We'll get into that in a second. Yeah, so I'm sorry guys, I just want to come in and say this. I initially started recording this video, I was sick then, thought I was getting over being sick, and I just have continued to be sick for like it's almost like 2 weeks straight now. I have just been sick. I'm still just like not feeling the greatest. So all the stuff I was trying to do, I just had to put it on hold. So I'm super sorry about that, guys. In the process of everything else, I also lost our vlogging camera. Thank God I actually had the SD card. I didn't record much on it, but I lost the freaking vlogging camera. I left it in a rental car, dollar rental car. You have thieves there. It was my fault for leaving it there. You guys, y'all hire thieves because somebody stole it out of the car, which sucks. I guess whoever cleaned it. And I'll never see that camera again. I have to buy another one at some point. But I still got my untrusty GoPros, and y'all know how I feel about GoPros. Anyways, so Parker, Arizona, Colorado River, 2 hours from Glamis. We're gonna walk over here really quick. I'm gonna tell you guys what's going on. Starlink always coming in. This is actually Marissa's car. She just had it repainted and fixed up. I'll get into that later. I didn't build this car, guys. So anyways, we're gonna throw a clutch kit in it. We got my mom who's here. My mom is here, and we got Jack's Turbo R right there. My parents made it into town last night. Sorry guys, I'm just giving y'all an update on what's going on, so y'all are like, where have y'all been? What's going on? Well, you also got to watch Krista's Family Friday video. She does kind of keep us updated, or you guys updated, on what's happening kind of in the family side of things. Anyhow, she tries to put a video out every Friday. Please go watch it. And sorry, I still have like brain fog or whatever, so I'm trying to give it to you guys. Jack's Turbo R here. We've got, if you haven't met Jack, he's my stepdad, awesome guy. Got some beadlock Packard wheels on some Scats in the front, running some Blackbirds in the rear. Perfect setup for this car. It's got a tune, all that good jazz. Got a chance for my parents to be out here for Christmas and New Year's. Super pumped. Got Patty Mayo, she's in there, she's all cleaned up. Gave her a bath yesterday. This guy came by and washed it for $30. Did a pretty decent job for 30 bucks. We got Sherb up there. I tried so hard to bring Scarlett, guys. When I got sick, everything I was trying to do, like my employee ended up catching the thing, and then after that, I say the things, I don't think you're allowed to say it on YouTube. And then I got sick right after that, and I'm just like, I'm in rough shape, guys. Sorry. So here's our plans, and this video isn't going to be like super action or anything like that. I just wanted to give y'all an update video. Tomorrow is Sunday, and we're doing a collab with somebody that I think you guys will be excited about. if you watch our channel, I would hope you watch these guys' channel. They're just an awesome family. I love their content. I'm not going to tell you who it is, but the next video, which I'll try to have edited for Christmas Day for you guys to watch, but if not, I will have it edited by the following Sunday. And then I'll definitely have, let's say, we're gonna have a couple of videos this month. December is usually my slow month. And then we're gonna have a full fun packed January full of tons of Glamis fun, because I want to be in Glamis for like, I don't know, 11, 12 days. So Turbo R's there, everything's good. Fancy's there, everything's good. My homeboy Military Mike, he picked the car up for Mike and Marissa. That was awesome of him. And I'm going to probably upload this really quick so you guys will have something to see on Sunday. I'm sorry if it's all over the place. Like I said, I still feel brain foggy and just kind of off, but tomorrow is Sunday, December 22nd, which is also ironically my wife and I's anniversary of 12 years. We're gonna be linking up with somebody really cool and doing some ripping in Glamis with them. And hopefully when you get to know their personalities, if you're not subscribed, you should. You'll really like these guys. They're super awesome. So thank you so much for watching this random video that's literally all over the place and doesn't really make much sense. But the next video will start to make sense again, and I'm gonna tell you guys about all the plans I have. So, since Mike is stuck, I've got my trusty Yankum ropes, and I guess we're just gonna have to see what happens now. That motorhome weighs a lot more than what these ropes are rated for. They're only rated for 15,000 pounds. Damn it, guys. But who doesn't like to see a huge 44-foot Integra coach stuck in the middle of the sand, right? Not me.